Hello everyone, welcome back to the Moda channel. In this video, we will talk about the top 8 places from where you can find your free content for your social media or from wherever your free traffic is coming from. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the free value. So welcome back. As I said that let's dive into free value. So this video will be everything about this concept, that if you want to promote affiliate products for free and you want to earn big money, then you need to have you need to provide your visitors, your customers, free value.
Oh shit, here we go again.
In other YouTube videos you see they talk about provide value, but no one really talks about how to provide value, like from where you will find this content and how you will present in front of your free traffic. So in this video we will be talking about the top 8 places from where you will find this free content to provide to your free traffic. So the first place is going to be our affiliate tools page. So select a products, just for example let me take this old product, custom keto diet. I know every one of you are aware of it. Go to its affiliate tools page and you will see here that social media lead magnets, and I think you are aware of this, that you can find content from affiliate tools pages. So this is just a very beginner advice that you can find the content in affiliate tools pages. Now the place number 2 is free PLR downloads. As you all know, if you watch my videos, I mostly talk about these things. You will go to free PLR downloads. PLR stands for private label rights. You can find these ebooks, videos and all these things, mostly ebooks in affiliate marketing, and you can like download this to your device and you can then resell it for free. Like PLR is private label rights, like this means that now you own this product, this is yours, you can resell it. So what I like to do is search for the keyword weight loss, which is my niche, and see for different ebooks. As you can see here, successful weight loss. You will click on this ebook and download it to your device. So let's download this one. So let's open this. As you can see, here is the successful weight loss ebook, and you will open this, and if you have any product related to weight loss, then what will you do is you just search for, you just go in here and read all of this ebook. Like it takes time. Like treat affiliate marketing as a real business. And if you scroll down, you will see successful weight loss chapter 1, weight loss resolutions basics. Like this is a long ebook. So how will you create content out of this ebook? So let me see for some content. Now I have found the content here. The topic will be walking as a bonus to your weight loss journey, and this will be the content. So let me show you and make a post for Instagram. I always create my post with canva.com. Click on create a design, click on Instagram post. So as you all know that an image is super necessary for a post.
It was super necessary.
So we'll go to pexels.com, PEXELS, and find an image of a woman walking. So let's say for example I'll be selecting this video, this photo, download it to your device, and then go to a site called remove.bg. Type in your browser remove.bg, remove background, and upload that image. We are going to remove the background of that because the posts look good. Upload it here and then it will remove the background of that image. As you can see, background removed. Click on download and the image has been downloaded. Go to Canva and let me show you and fast forward this and show you what I was talking about. So now as you can see that this is a piece of content. Like I know that it doesn't look nice, but this is just an example to show you that you can like take pieces of content out. Like this is a huge ebook and you can take pieces of content out of this weight loss ebook and create content for your social media, for your YouTube, for your Facebook group, and grow them to generate more traffic. So the next things from where you can get content ideas from are Google, YouTube and Facebook. So what do I mean by this is you can search for an article like how to lose weight this summer. Let's open 3 or 4 articles. Next 35 ways to jumpstart. Now what we need to do is we need to do the exact same strategy that we did with the PLR books. Okay, so we'll take pieces of content out of this and make a post on Canva, and in the description you can tell them more about the service or about the thing that you have provided. So the next place is Quora. So what we'll need to do is we'll search how to lose weight this summer, and we'll search for Quora and click on it, how to lose weight this summer, and you can see several questions by real people, like how can I lose weight without dieting, how do you intend to lose weight this summer, I want my son to lose weight this summer, how can I help him do this. Like, click on this question and you can see that there are 5 answers. Okay, so what you can do is make a post about lose weight this summer and then type in the answer. Like, do not just copy and paste, take inspiration from, read the answer, take time. Like, you have to work hard. Affiliate marketing is a real business, it is not a side hustle, so you have to work hard, read it, and then thoroughly collect points, write it on your notebook, and then create a post. So the next place is going to be Instagram. Like, the point is you can recreate posts that are already there, like recreate them better. So this is our Instagram account, the Moda channel, you can go and follow. So what I was talking about is, if we have a weight loss offer, then we can search for hashtag like I don't think that I'll find any post weight loss tips. So as you can see that for best snacks to choose for any diet, like you can recreate this. So the heading is the best snacks to choose for any diet. So we can search in Google like, and then we'll open 2 or 3 different articles, 29 healthy snacks that can help you lose weight, Healthline, and 75 best healthy snacks, 10 best snacks for weight loss, and we like take 2 snacks from this article, 2 snacks from the other article, and 2 snacks from the 3 articles. Now we have total 6 snacks, and then we will eat them. So now what we will do is we go again to canva.com, and let me fast forward and show you again how to do it. So this is what I meant when I said that recreate better. So I know that this one is not better than this post, and so what you will do is you add actually these are 4 only. So what you will do, you will add 6 best snacks for weight loss, and in the description, in the caption, you will tell about each of the snacks in brief, and then in the end you will say that follow our page for daily recipes, whatever you want to say. And in the end or at the starting also, you can say that if you want to lose weight, then you can like you can try our weight loss plan, and then redirect them to your landing page. So this is how everything works. So this is a kind of this is also a content. Now the next thing is going to be like we are going to repost. I think this is a good photo for before and after weight loss. So what you can do, like you can save this, you can copy the caption and paste it, and use the hashtags perfectly. Like if you have a low following page, then use the hashtags that have like low volume, so that you can rank for them, and add posts consistently. At number 7 is YouTube. On YouTube I generally do 4 types of things. First one is I type in my keyword and I download the videos and then I repost. First one is reposting. So I'll repost videos like how to lose weight fast, and then I'll filter my videos with Creative Commons. I know you people are aware of this thing, and then you can download these videos and upload it on your channel and do YouTube SEO to rank them. But the thing is, how can we create content? So the first one is reposting. The content is already created, and the second thing on YouTube is I get my content created by someone else. So what do I do is I go to fiverr.com and I choose services and I get my video created by someone else. I generally choose spokesperson video, but you can select any video editing person who will edit your video, who will create a YouTube video for you. I generally choose spokesperson video and find any of these women, and if they will review the product that it is a good product, and I'll get these things done in $5 or $10. And then I get an amazing video created by these people, and you can use it on YouTube and rank, and you can share it on your social media, or you can use it in your ads also. The third thing that I do on YouTube is I select 2 or 3 Creative Commons videos, and then I download them, and then what do I do is I generate a 30-second video, take some content from one video and the other some content from the other video, and then I generally make my own 30-second video and share them on social media and grow my following by that. The fourth thing that I do most of the times is I get content ideas from YouTube. So what will I do is let's say I type in weight loss workout, and then I search for workout videos and get content idea from these videos. So let's open this video and see which exercises is she doing. So after that I'll write down the exercises that she was doing. Now we have 4 exercises that will help you burn fat and lose weight. So we have the idea now, and then we can create a piece of content for our social media following for our free traffic. So how we'll do that? Let's go back to canva.com, click on create a design. So let's make Pinterest pin this time. Pinterest pin. So now as you can see that this is our piece of content, but don't worry about these background in other 3 images. It will be removed if you have the Canva Pro, and you can sign up for Canva Pro. It's a 30 days free trial, and you get all access in for 30 days, and you can easily remove this inside Canva, remove these backgrounds. Okay, just for example, I'm doing this fast and the content is not looking good, but you can make it, you can spend your time and make it beautiful. Okay. Now the last but not the least and the favorite of all affiliate marketers in India is Pinterest. So how you will create content using Pinterest? The first thing is you can create your pin using Canva. So these are a few example pins that I made earlier. You can see I made it from Canva. See these pins, and these pins got thousands of impressions. On Pinterest the trick is just post continuously. Like consistency is the key to Pinterest. If you stop posting for one day, you will see that your reach goes down. So keep posting consistently on Pinterest. And the other thing on Pinterest is you can search for pins. As you can see that you can scroll down. How I lost 62 pounds in 8 weeks without exercise. Okay, so what you will do is you can create a YouTube video, or you can create a blog from by taking content from other blogs, from social media, or from, you can say, from search engines. You can take content and then merge all of them in one article. It takes time, it is hard work, it takes time, but you can do it. And if you made a good blog and directed this Pinterest traffic to that blog, you will make big money from Pinterest only. So these were the top 8 places from where you will find the content ideas, and in result create content for your free traffic. So now comes the time for a few very important points. What I personally do is I do not complicate things. I only have 3 or 4 like traffic sources, free traffic sources. First one is Instagram page, another one is Pinterest page, and then a YouTube channel and a like blog article. Okay, typical Google SEO blog. So I get my free traffic from these 4 sources. So what I do is I take one day out of 1 month of my life, and then I sit and create content for the next 30 days. and then on the same day I schedule the content on my Instagram, on my Pinterest and my YouTube also. So these things like creating content and scheduling takes me 2 days. Important point number 2. So that was important point number 1. So number 2 is you for Pinterest, as I said earlier, that post consistently, and number 3 is for Instagram Reels and for Pinterest Stories and YouTube Shorts. So like these three things can give you massive reach and massive impressions. These three things are new and they are like giving so many traffic for free. So important point number 4 is omnipresence. Omnipresence means like having your presence to a particular customer from all the ways. We'll target them from Instagram, from Pinterest, from YouTube, and from blog articles as well. So how do I do that? Whenever I upload a YouTube video, I just notify them via my Instagram page. I post a story, or I also post a story on Pinterest. I create an article related to that and also notify my list, my email list also. So this is email marketing. Email list is also a free kind of traffic. So if you know how to leverage Pinterest to Instagram, Instagram to YouTube, YouTube to email list back to Google articles, your blog articles, and then back to Instagram. If you know how to leverage these, then you will grow in an amazing way organically. So thank you so much again for watching this video. If you have any questions, we have our Facebook group, the Moda Channel Community. You can ask the questions there. I will leave a link in the description. So this is it. This was the video. If you found it useful, then please hit the like button, and you can subscribe to the Moda channel also. And in the next video, we'll be talking about how to generate traffic for free. Thank you and peace.